Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your deep learning box and install NVIDIA drivers and CUDA. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up CUDA and all of its dependencies on a fresh Ubuntu install or on Ubuntu. If it's not a fresh install, that's okay as well, using the run file method. I've made a good effort to make the commands visible on the screen, but in case you struggle with reading them, I'll also have an article out, so find that in the description. With that, let's just jump into the installation. The first thing we'd like to do is download CUDA. I've just looked that up, which should take you to the official website. From there, we'll select download now. I'm running Ubuntu 20.04, so I'll select the options for that. And we'll be using something known as a local run file method, which essentially downloads the installer onto your system. I've tried installing through the network installer. That runs into issues sometimes, so I prefer this method. Just copy these commands into your terminal and that should download the CUDA installer. I've clicked on the installation instructions or guide, the official guide, and you'd want to run through some pre-installation actions. These are essentially checks. The only one of reference or only one of importance here is installing GCC. So I've run the command for that. If you type GCC in your terminal, it should tell you the command. Reboot your PC, press Ctrl Alt F1 to go to the terminal mode. Change directories into downloads or whichever folder you downloaded CUDA to. Run the installer, type in accept, select all options. Now this will complain that it fails, and that's because make isn't installed. I deliberately showed this because it wasn't mentioned. Install make and run the installer again. It should install CUDA and it'll tell you to run two commands. If you forget those before rebooting, head over to the post installation steps in the guide and you should be able to do those. To install CUDANN, I've just looked it up. You'll have to sign up here and all you have to do is download this file. It'll be a tar file, compressed file. Just extract it to the relevant folder and that's it. CUDANN installation is complete. Okay, so that was a quick walkthrough. A few tests that you can run after this is, of course, just open up your favorite deep learning framework or install your favorite deep learning framework and make sure you're able to train stuff using your GPU. I've tried to keep this walkthrough clean. However, you still might run into a few errors. If you do, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.